Hello everybody and welcome to Organic Gardening Together. My name is Paulie and welcome to my garden. Today we're going to be talking about zucchini, the Cocozelle or the Cocozelle variety. It's an Italian variety. So I have this in my garden. I planted the seeds 6 weeks ago and here we are. And they had a first set of flowers about a week, more than that, about a week and a half ago, and they died off, and the female flowers are the ones that produce the fruit. So there'd be the fruit and then the female flower right in front of it. And what you see here, I believe, are still male flowers. They tend to sprout male flowers first, but don't get discouraged. The female ones will come, supposedly. Again, I'm a first-time grower. We're doing this together, week by week. Every weekend, I'll be posting videos, and we'll learn how to grow this crop together, you know? So what these plants need is a loose, fertile, and a well-drained soil with plenty of nitrogen. Now, the soil I have underneath is a very sandy soil, so it's well draining underneath, but there's organic soil on top. So we'll see how it goes. It requires a lot of nitrogen, so I got to keep on top of that as opposed to my other plants, and I also don't want to harm my other plants. These plants also get big and bushy. I'm supposed to have each plant spaced about 12 to 24 inches apart. However, I did not do that. I'm just planning to thin the herd. Let me show you a little close up here. That white spot you saw, it's not powdery mildew, which is a fungal infection on a plant because it doesn't wipe right off. I believe it's when I was watering and I left a water droplet on it and the sun burned it. And that's the male flower I was talking about. It died, so it only lasted a couple days. And the female ones have fruit behind it. I don't have any of those yet. So yeah, we'll just take it week by week. We'll see how these babies grow. Leave any comments in the comment section, and any advice. This is supposed to be, together. Yeah, we're learning how to do this together. So yeah. I'm not going to be really doing much. I just pluck any weeds that come up next to it, do the mulch, and just keeping an eye on it. The stalks bend really easily, so you got to be really careful with that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next week. I know we didn't really do much today. It's just an introduction, and we'll take it week by week. Hopefully we get some zucchinis out of this. Talk to you later. Bye.